Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to get part instructions and service documents for your GE appliance. GE is moving away from including paper instructions with their parts. Instead, they've begun to include business cards or printing on the box with instructions on how to access the documents electronically. Let's run through the instructions. To access your appliance's instruction sheet or service document, start by texting PARTS to 36534. The first text will prompt a response from the helpline asking for a part number. In this example, we'll be using the part number WD49X23782. If a document exists for your part, you will receive a PDF download link. Clicking on the link will allow you to view your parts document. If a service guide does not exist for your part, you will receive a text indicating there is no current service documentation for your part. If you need to purchase a new part for your GE appliance, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. That's it for today, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.